An average person picks up their phone over 1,500 times a week. That's roughly every 5.5 minutes. Users tend to leave web pages within 10 to 20 seconds, and many YouTube viewers exit videos within the first minute. Since you clicked on this video, you're likely one of them, so I'll keep this video as concise and to the point as possible. Let's get started. This video is quite simple, consisting of 4 steps. Here's the first step: distractions. Focusing also means not paying attention to distracting elements coming from the outside. This might be the most serious issue to consider, because after a distraction, it takes about 23 minutes to refocus, or sometimes you might not regain focus at all. Being in an environment prone to distraction leads to even more distraction. Therefore, you may find yourself suddenly scrolling through Instagram when your attention magnet, the cell phone, is on the table. The solution to this situation is quite simple. First, clear your workspace of these distractions. Keep your desk clean and minimal, with only the essentials related to what you need to focus on. Close the email tab and put your phone on silent mode, placing it out of reach so you won't be tempted to check it. Don't worry, if something urgent happens, they'll call you. You've learned how to maintain focus simply. Now let's see how we can improve it. Science compares focusing to a muscle in our body, and this is absolutely true. Just like muscles, if you regularly challenge yourself and spend more time in a state of focus, improvement will occur. You may have tried many techniques like the Pomodoro method to concentrate. No matter what you do, the important thing is to get past the 23-minute attention span we mentioned earlier and enter the flow state. This will make you more productive. So, what is the flow state? The flow state is a mental state in which a person is fully immersed in an activity, becoming one with the task at hand. A person in a flow state does not notice how time passes, is less affected by external factors, and performs functionally. To enter this state, it's best to set a specific time interval and work within that period. How long you work is up to you, but you should start small and increase over time. Of course, don't forget to take breaks. Just like muscles, focus gets tired and needs rest. For this, I don't think it's right to say, for example, I will take a break every 25 minutes, because if you're not tired by the end of the time, there's no point in taking a break. So it's best to listen to your body for breaks. It's time for one of the biggest misconceptions: multitasking. Multitasking may seem like a way to be productive and hardworking. However, it has been scientifically proven that this method is not truly efficient. Research shows that those who try to do more than one task at a time are 40% less productive compared to those who focus on a single task. It is understandable why multitasking might seem appealing, because our minds go through about 4,000 thoughts a day and are invited to change direction every 14 seconds. Therefore, considering multitasking is a natural tendency. However, dividing tasks also means dividing our attention. Yes, we can do 2 things at once, but we cannot fully concentrate on both tasks simultaneously. When switching from one task to another, we actually decrease the efficiency of both tasks. This leads to making more mistakes and, ironically, losing time while expecting to save it. In conclusion, multitasking is effectively a way of doing less. Instead, it is more appropriate to focus the light in one place and achieve more brightness. We have learned the way. Now we need fuel to advance on this path. The brain is our most expensive organ, making up only 1/50th of our body mass, yet consuming as much energy as 1/5 of our body. Given this high energy consumption, we need to provide the necessary fuel. How do we do this? The answer is something you already know: health. Firstly, a healthy and balanced diet plays a critical role in enhancing our mental performance and concentration. As the saying goes, a sound mind in a sound body. This is where exercise and sports come into play. Physical activity significantly impacts not only our physical health, but also our mental performance. Run, lift weights, cycle. It's up to you. At the very least, take 10,000 steps, but make sure you move in some way. One of the cornerstones of healthy mental performance is getting enough quality sleep. Sleep regulates brain functions, supports learning and memory processes, and increases mental clarity. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day regulates our biological clock and improves sleep quality. Congratulations, you've successfully taken the first step by watching this video to the end. Do what you need to do and stay focused.